Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change apps permissions on RUGONE Xever 7 Pro. Let's go. Okay guys, so we go to settings, then we go to apps, apps, all apps, then we select an app. For example, let's select, I don't know, let's select not this, let's select Google. Okay, then permissions, and as you can see we can see what is allowed and what isn't allowed. For example, we can allow camera to be allowed, or we can unallow microphone, as you can see, and that's how you change permissions on apps on this phone. It's the same with any other app. Look, I will show you the one more. For example, Netflix permissions, and as you can see I can change what is allowed and what isn't. Okay guys, thank you for watching, have a good day and goodbye.